P.O.L. Gamer View.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's IntraVenus back with another episode of P.O.L. Gamer View. In this episode, we're going to open up the 2021 edition of the Redeemer action figure from McFarlane Toys in the Spawn comic book series. And we're going to get up close right now and open it up. There's a special reason I'm opening this, and it's because it fell off of my shelf on its own. I saw it literally just leap off the shelf and smash the plastic front of the box. There's no reason to keep it in a box anymore. So we're going to go ahead and open it up on here and see what it looks like up close. Let's get around to it. Yeah. All right. Here we have the Redeemer. The 2021 edition. The Redeemer. See, this is what happened. Isn't that a bummer? I don't know if anybody's ever had something like this happen. Something just fall off the shelf. But anyways, here it is. 22 movable parts. Let's go ahead and just rip into this bad boy. It's already damaged. Sometimes it's fun to open something like a little kid, you know? Like you can't wait to get inside. Oh, there's his wings. That's right. We learned last time this whole thing pulls out. Cool artwork on the side there. Alright. Look at this baby. See, there's going to be some stuff here on the back to pull out.
So I just put these. Now put my fingers. Maybe these are on the edge. Like how this. And then elastic so just push this through here. Come on, okay. Can you? There you go.
Oh my goodness. Alright.
There we go. Just like that, just like that.
Get out of there, Redeemer. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it feels really nice. Look at all these movable parts. Oh, yay. His torso. His back. I like the texturedness. See if you can see the texture. Lots of moving parts. You can do all kinds of stuff with them. Alright. Let's get his sword. Oh, this is one I forgot to cut. Jeez. Alrighty. Get out of there. Okay. Let's put the sword in his hand here. Right. Can I get that in this hand? You on the other hand? Does it matter? How is he supposed to hold it?
It's got pegs in it. I don't know. See if I can get these wings out of here.
Just put the wings on. See, this would be this wing. Whoop. They just, I think they just slot in there. Am I doing something? Let's see. Am I doing something wrong, y'all? Oh, what?
Good lord. Oh my god, no one's in there. Yeah. I'm just these are exits just go out. Does anybody know?
This is upsetting. Seems like they should just slide right in. Slide right in. Get on in there. Twist it. Oh, yes. My goodness. Not made for kids. No kidding. No kid could get these things in here. Twist it. Twist it. Wow. Alright. I don't think those are coming out anytime soon. He's like pretty much in the position on one of the Spawn Universe covers right here. So those wings are pretty positionable. This is a really awesome figure. Let's get this out of here. Really awesome, but really hard to put together. If you guys want to see this, we did this in the last episode. It's a little peg board thing to stand it on. Well, there you got that going there. And then if we could figure out how to get this into his little hand. Oh, it's easy now after I dealt with putting the wings in with all my strength. This is by far the coolest Spawn figure I've ever opened. I'm not gonna lie. I really like it. And in fact, I wasn't big on the whole newer armor that he has versus the original Redeemer look. I'll go ahead and throw a picture on the screen here because I don't have mine available at hand. I don't know which one. I definitely like this figure better. But anyways, this is the Redeemer. There's also a black and silver one called Dark Redeemer, but he actually, if you're reading the comics, the Scorched and stuff, he goes by a different name. I'll throw that on the screen too because I can't think of it off the top of my head. In fact, let me get the comic that he is modeled to look almost identical to, it seems. Okay, I couldn't find the exact cover I was looking for, but this is an example of the Scorched #2 with the very awesome, hyper-realistic creation of the Redeemer. And here we have him with this sword and everything. Let's see if we can kind of make him stand like that.
Give it a reflection. See if we can stand like that, alright. See, he's twisted. Get this leg out. And this leg's almost the same. Let's see here. This one's down.
Can't make the wings exactly the same, but look, there's that one, and there's my guy. I think he's bending forward a little more. But you can pretty much make your characters, these new Spawn action figures, position exactly how you want. See that? Yes. All right, let's go ahead and get back to the closing of this video. Yo, what up? Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Isn't this freaking awesome? Look at this. Look. This is the coolest. See how I have him in this position here? Pretty darn close. Pretty darn close to the comic book. This is really cool. Really, really, really cool. I guess I should cover that little belt piece since I'm doing the green screen here now today. I just shot a new music video today. It should be up maybe already by the time this video is up. So please go ahead and check it out. It's for my song Time Keeps on Ticking. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end of this episode. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. I'm increasing productivity tenfold here, and I'm trying to get videos out pretty much every day. Check it out. There's all kinds of new stuff showing up on the channel. I hope you all had fun here today, and I do recommend going and checking out this figure. Pick it up yourself. They're on sale on Amazon right now. It used to be like $25. Now they're like $21.47. Thank you, and have a blessed, wonderful day and evening. Peace!
We're out here.